In this video, we are going to take a look at the performance task prompt and read closely and identify exactly what you are going to be responsible for completing for this essay assignment. Our objective is short and sweet. We are unpacking the essay prompt to ensure that you understand what you are responsible for. So we're going to take a look at the essay prompt, and you're going to be identifying the verb phrases that give you details about what you need to do as a writer and for what you should be looking for in the author's argument to make sure that we are clear about what you are responsible for doing and what you were looking at in the text. To do that, we are going to be in this assignment here in Google Classroom. So open up this PDF and annotate with Cami. Let's start by reading through the prompt, and then we're going to be identifying the verb phrases and clauses that give you more detail about what you need to do as a writer and what you should be looking for in Turkle's argument. So the prompt reads, write an essay in which you explain how Sherry Turkle builds an argument to persuade her audience that experiencing empathy is a uniquely human experience. As you compose your essay, consider how Turkle uses the following features or features of your own choice to strengthen the logic and persuasiveness of her argument. We're looking at evidence, such as facts or examples to support claims, reasoning to develop ideas and to connect claims and evidence, stylistic or persuasive elements such as word choice or appeals to emotion to add power to the ideas expressed. Note, your essay should not explain whether or not you agree with Turkle's claims. It should explain how she builds an argument to persuade her audience. So that is what we did with the descriptive outlining posters. So you've done a lot of this work already. Okay, so let's look at what you need to do as a writer of this essay. So for example, you are writing an essay. That is what you are doing. So let's highlight that yellow. And another verb that gives us details about what you are doing is you are explaining. So we're going to highlight that yellow as well. Take a second and look for the rest of the verb phrases or clauses that give you detail about what you are going to be doing as a writer. Next, let's take a look at the verb phrases or clauses that give you more information about what you should be looking for in Turkle's argument. So we should be looking for how Sherry Turkle builds an argument to persuade her audience that experiencing empathy is a uniquely human experience. So that is what we are looking for in Turkle's argument. Go ahead and look for the remaining verb phrases and clauses that give you details about what we're looking for in Turkle's argument. Double check your assignment and make sure you have these items highlighted in these colors. So you are writing an essay, you are explaining what Sherry's doing, you're composing your essay and considering how she uses features. You are not explaining whether or not you agree. You should explain how she builds an argument. What you're looking for in Turkle's argument is how she builds an argument to persuade her audience, how she uses the following features, and how she strengthens her argument. We're looking at these particular features: her use of evidence, her reasoning, and stylistic and persuasive elements. Once you have these things highlighted in these colors, submit your assignment in Google Classroom.